Hi, this is Kyle Hansen, National Trainer for LG Home Appliances. You know, when your customer needs a 30 or 33-inch refrigerator, it often feels like they have to sacrifice the features and style that they want just to make something fit. But with LG, that compromise is over. LG's 30 and 33-inch refrigerators are fully loaded and now include many of the same premium features found in larger models. Every one of them includes LG Smart Cooling, a powerful system that keeps grocery store crisp produce for up to 7 days. Now, whether you choose standard depth or counter depth max, LG ensures you get the most capacity possible even in tight spaces. From LG curved handles to modern pocket handles and to our newest bar handles, there is a design to match every kitchen style. And now let me introduce the LF25S6560S. It's a 33-inch standard depth model with 25 cubic feet of capacity that checks every box. InstaView Door-in-Door lets you see inside with just 2 quick knocks, keeping cold air in and energy waste down. The Slim Space Plus ice system allows for more usable space on the inside while reliably delivering cubed and crushed ice when you need it. Inside, you've got spacious gallon-sized door bins, premium LED lighting, and full-width shelves that make organizing your groceries easy with no wasted space. And don't forget the craft ice, perfect for entertaining with round, slow-melting ice that can be made right in the freezer. Now, many of these models work with the LG ThinQ app as well, letting customers monitor temperature, remotely adjust settings, get filter alerts, and control ice production, all from the convenience of their smartphone. So next time someone's looking for a compact refrigerator that delivers full-size performance, LG has the perfect fit. And talking about the perfect fit, don't forget our zero clearance hinge 36-inch models, because they just may fit that space perfectly for you as well. Smart, stylish, spacious. Built to keep food fresher longer and families happy. Now that's good.